So today we're going to be doing a string 3 problem. The problem is gHappy, and the problem reads, we'll say that a lowercase g in a string is happy if there is another g immediately to its left or right. Return true if the g's in a given string are happy. So for our first example, the output is true because there are two g's right next to each other. For this program, we want to have a couple of variables. So first I'm going to create an integer variable called length. This will store str.length and will be used later. And since this method returns a boolean, we also want to have a boolean variable. Call it happy and set that to true for now. So for this problem, we're going to go in and run a for loop. For int I equals 0, I is less than length, I plus plus. And inside that for loop, we want to go ahead and check if the character is a g, and if so, if there are any g's next to it. So if str.char at I equal g, then if I is greater than 0 and str.char at I minus 1 equal g, then happy equal true. Else if I is less than length minus 1 and str.char at I plus 1 equal g, then happy equal true. Else, so if there aren't any g's next to each other, then happy equal false. And after that whole for loop, you want to return happy.